Let's get your Spectrum cable box and internet up and running using a coax splitter, modem, and router. First, the coax cable from the wall needs to connect to a coax splitter. This splitter divides the signal, sending one output to your Spectrum cable box for TV and the other to your modem for internet. It's crucial to use a high-frequency splitter, up to 2.4 gigahertz, to minimize signal loss, especially if you have 4K TV or high-speed internet. Connect the cable box directly to one of the splitter outputs using a coax cable. Then, use another coax cable to connect the modem to the other output on the splitter. This setup allows both devices to receive the necessary signal from Spectrum through a single wall outlet. Remember to tighten all connections to avoid signal issues. If you have a long cable run, consider a bidirectional amplifier to boost the signal and maintain quality. Now that your coax connections are secure, it's time to set up your modem and router. Connect an Ethernet cable from your modem to the WAN or internet port on your router. If you have a combined modem router like some Spectrum Eero devices, this step is already integrated. Plug in both the modem and router to power outlets and wait for them to power on. Once the modem has power, activate your service via the Spectrum app or website. Follow the on-screen prompts to register your equipment. After activation, the router will create your Wi-Fi network. Secure it by enabling WPA3 encryption in the router settings. To check the signal strength, use the Spectrum app. Aim for greater than 40 dB SNR. If you encounter any issues, try resetting the modem and router. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for assistance. After activation, you are now online.